14,000 pesos per month with annual lump sum of 650,000 pesos, no down payment, 6 years to pay with 0% interest. This is Uptown Modern.
It's located at 9th Avenue, Uptown Bonifacio, BGC. This is a studio unit with a balcony ranging from 40 to 45.5 square meters. It comes semi-furnished including a fridge, microwave, 2-burner cooktop, range hood and split type inverter aircon. It also smart home equipped and pet friendly. Perfect ito for Airbnb, short-term or long-term rental business because walking distance lang siya to Uptown Mall, Uptown Parade, Landers and Mitsukoshi Mall. Malapit din sa international schools and major offices. Walking distance din ito sa future Metro Manila Subway and around 25 minutes lang to the international airport. Kaya mataas talaga ang rental demand sa area na to. Just keep in mind guys, 71% sold out na yung project and open siya for foreign buyers, OFW, and investors looking for flexible payment terms. Don't miss this opportunity habang pre-selling pa lang and below market value. Message me now for more details, showroom appointment, or Zoom meeting. Inquire now.